Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best electric treadmill in the market. Which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. The NordicTrack and Perform machines I tested have nearly identical features. Because the exercise equipment brands are owned by the same company, Incline Health and Fitness. Both motorized incline treadmills have built-in 7-inch touch screens that let you use iFit, the company's on-demand workout streaming service. You can pick from more than 16,000 guided workouts, including over 1,000 that were shot outdoors on courses all over the world where you follow a personal trainer as they walk or run. You also can choose to have the workout automatically change the settings on the treadmill to match the speed and incline set by the trainer. And of course, you can always override those settings at any time, especially if it moves beyond your comfortable max speed. Never have I become so engrossed in my cardio workout until using iFit. I almost completely forgot that I was jogging on a treadmill while my personal trainer, guide, took me on a hike in Costa Rica, coaching me along the way and throwing out facts about the rainforest we were hiking through, compared with the design of the other machines. This treadmill model felt less premium. At the seams where 2 plastic parts were supposed to meet, I noticed gaps and pieces askew. That said, I was impressed enough by iFit that I could look past the lackluster fit and finish to rate it the best treadmill for guided workouts. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill with Device Holder. As a wild card for this list, I threw in the Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill because I wanted to know how it compared to $1,000 machines. I learned 3 key things about it. It's not built for everyone. The entire machine is small, with a walking belt running surface that's 48 inches long and 15 inches wide. All of the others I tested had a running belt surface that was at least 60 inches long and 20 inches wide. Walking and jogging on this budget treadmill felt cramped. My running shoe occasionally grazed the plastic cover at the top of the treadmill belt. And I'm only 5 feet 3 inches with a short stride. Also, the maximum weight this treadmill can handle is 220 pounds or 100 kilograms. The max weight for all of the other treadmills on this list is at least 300 pounds, 136 kilograms. It doesn't feel like an overtly cheap treadmill. The treadmill offers all of the home gym treadmill workout features you want. It goes up to 9 miles per hour. It has 3 treadmill incline options, 0%, 2% and 4.37%, and has 9 built-in workout programs. Assembly is required and the warranty is short. If you buy this treadmill online, by default it will not come with expert assembly, but putting it together was really easy. Bottom line, if you are really short on space and dollars, and are willing to get rid of the treadmill if it dies in a year, go ahead and get this folding treadmill. Number 3. Our third best pick is Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill 2.25 horsepower under-desk electric treadmill. This foldable treadmill is a winner for so many reasons, beyond its ease and portability. The treadmill comes completely installed right out of the box, so no tools, loose screws, and multi-step instructions. The sturdy, durable steel frame has a quiet, built-in motor with a non-slip belt with shock absorption for ease on joints. Use it with the handles for stability, or fold the riser for use with a standing desk. There's a holder for your phone on the center riser for entertainment, and you can easily link your phone to the treadmill's built-in Bluetooth speaker for better sounds. Happy customer, So far I am extremely happy with this product. I wanted something that would be easy to move around in case I wasn't sure which room I wanted it in, and something small enough that it wouldn't take up the majority of any room. This is somewhat compact but still has the strength to work with heavier people well over 200 pounds. This machine compared to the last one I had at home is extremely quiet, which was another huge plus for me since my workout room is upstairs above an office room. Even at a higher speed no one knew I was working out. Why we like it: easily foldable, arrives completely installed. 5-layer non-slip texture running belt. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness D7515 Smart Treadmill with Auto Incline, with more than 1,600 5-star reviews on Amazon. The Sunny Health T7515 is one of the best treadmills for seniors. Safety features include non-slip handlebars, an emergency stop clip, and a hands-free soft drop hydraulic system that makes it easy to open and collapse without straining. Simply sync your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth to stream music, podcasts, or even video workouts from your device. It was high time I did some sort of exercising. So I searched high and low for a used treadmill to get me going. But I couldn't find one that was decent for less than this cost. I'm so glad. I really love this thing. It's so easy to adjust your speed. I love the mileage tracker and the timer. I'm not in good enough shape yet to use the Incline. Well, at least not the real Incline. At level 1. You can barely notice it. You have to go up to about level 4 to feel it. I plan to wait a bit before I do that. I've been walking between 1.5 and 2 miles on this almost daily for the last 5 weeks and haven't had a single problem with the machine. It feels solid. It's got cup holders on either side. One holds the drink, the other one hand weight. I haven't used the speaker yet because I prefer headphones. All in all, a very good purchase. It got me off the couch. And that's praise from on high. Why we like it: 12 levels of one-touch incline, pulse grip, heart rate monitoring, Bluetooth speakers. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is BiFanuo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill Smart Walking Running Machine. At under $400, this compact folding treadmill is the best deal for walking workouts at home. It comes completely installed with a 5-layer shock-absorbing base that is cushy on your joints, and an anti-skid noise reduction belt that is whisper quiet. The LED screen tracks your workout time, calories burned, and other vitals, while an easy-to-reach safety key lets you quickly stop the treadmill to prevent falls. I bought this to get our family a little bit more active during COVID and to use it as a walking treadmill under my stand-up desk. It functions great. We put it in the family room. My preteens frequently walk on it while we watch a family movie. And when we're done with it, we slide it under the couch. I walk on it for exercise, about 3 miles a day. And then I can log another 2 to 4 miles during the workday at my desk. Why we like it: easily foldable, powerful but quiet, powerful 2.25 horsepower motor, multifunctional LED display. This 2-in-1 treadmill arrives fully assembled. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.